Right, everyone. So Sam's got his new car.
Yeah.
This lovely Civic. So Sam, tell me what you're going to do on it then.
Well, because it's got rust under the seals, we need to weld it. So you've got to take these sport covers off to just check quite how bad it is.
How bad what is, mate?
The rust. Because we could be in for a real big situation here.
So the car's failed MOT and we're going to check the rust, see what bits need to be repaired. This lovely 190, is it 190,000 miles?
It's 177.
Car's done 177,000 miles.
2003.
2003. So we're going to get it up on the ramp, have a good look round and see what needs doing. It's quite a clean little car, mate. Civic. Everyone loves a Civic.
Mate,
Let's have a little look.
I didn't before. And I got it for dirt cheap.
How much did you buy the car for?
325 quid.
Oh. What does everyone think then? Is this car worth 325 sterling? Not bad, mate, not bad. 300 squidders.
300 denarii.
So on the MOT it needs 2 drop links. See you in a bit. You going, Dad? Oh. What does it need from the MOT then, Sam?
It needs 2 rear drop links. Well, 1 rear drop link, but you should always change both of them.
Nice.
It needs a near side caliper because it's lagging apparently.
Lagging, bit like you today then, mate.
What do you mean?
Lagging.
I've been working
Oh,
hard
I'm tired.
all day. Been working hard all day.
Sam gets a paid lunch, still moans. Gets to work on his car in the day, still moans. Gets to use the ramp for free, still moans.
You're lying.
And now he has to actually spend some money on his own car.
Yeah.
It's hard life.
The rust that you get failed on, and a headlight because it's absolutely destroyed on the interior, and it's also like very off angle.
So I think we're going to take the front bumper off.
Yeah.
Have a little look behind and see what's going on.
But I've got 2 new headlights to match.
2 new headlights
to
coming.
match each
They
other.
actually look fresh now. They got water on them, but they are pretty cracked.
Yeah, but the interior of these ones is black, but my ones are going to be chrome
Nice.
on the interior.
Cute. I like a bit of chrome, do you?
I do actually. I'm excited for it all.
Pop the bonnet then. Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Let's have a sound test and all. For the car that cost £300. Oh, cheers, mate. Cheers for the bonnet catch. Oh, adios. Sure, it's quite hard being a cameraman. Right, so we've got the bonnet catcher. It actually does not come under the bonnet, you have to take out the boot. Fully fit this in there like that. Oh, and it actually falls down the hole. Oh no, so that might be the wrong one. Here we go. Done it.
Done, yeah.
No, I ain't. It's upside down now. Okay. So,
Sam.
there we go. Little broken bonnet catch. When you put it down, it just falls. So, what's this little clutch issue you've got going on?
So again.
What's the clutch issue you've got going on?
So when you disengage it and engage it,
Go on then.
it makes this noise.
Let's have a little starting. Let's have a little listen. It's 100 and... What's the mileage again? 176,000. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah, I reckon about 2 weeks and he would have blown it up.
No way. This car is lasting me at least minimum until 20,000 miles.
Not bad. Not bad. He's got his fishing rods in the back. Sam's actually loves fishing.
I love fishing.
How many fish have you caught so far?
So I've only been like 4 times, but I've caught 3 crabs in total. No fish.
That's diabolical. Oh, look at you in that motor.
Does it look good, yeah?
Looks right, mate.
Good.
First proper car, yeah.
Yeah.
Big boy motor.
I wouldn't call me polo car.
How are you going to drive it? Put your arm out the window and that. Yeah, we're just doing some scrapping.
We've only,
This is Sean, this has been his birthday today.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Happy birthday. What do you reckon of Sam's car then? What do you reckon? Would you have one?
In about 1997 I would.
But now they're just, yeah.
What, back in the war, Phil? During the war.
Any good or not, Sean? Honest opinion.
Honest opinion.
It's got a few dents in that.
Do you reckon we can fix them though?
I think we could. Don't know if Sam could, but we could.
Well, that gives you a work here then.
Look at that big dent. How was actually someone's head butted that?
Yeah, someone's fell off their bike.
What is that?
Try it again,
Look
Sam.
at that. That's like... Bloody hell. I mean, Tony Hawk could ride a skateboard in there.
Mate, it doesn't look that bad in real life.
See if your head will fit in there.
Yeah, go on. Nice. Don't open.
That's always good.
Great. Just can't even put fuel in it.
I think there's a little catch.
Right, get it on the ramp then. Let's have a look.
Okay.
Car's folding in half, mate. Keep going up. Let's see it. Let's see it. Come on. I don't. Oh, my phone's in my pocket. Go on, give everyone a rundown on your car.
Give everyone a rundown.
Yeah. How VTEC works. You've got to have orders.
You know when it opens.
I should have. It's
You know when it opens, don't you?
right.
Like that. Make that noise.
Right.
That's when you know they're working.
That's when they're working apparently.
Right.
So you've got to rev them really high.
You've got to rev, basically, right, if you want your VTEC to work, you rev it high with no oil in the engine.
Okay. What, and it just works really well?
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah. Solid now.
Right, walk me through where it's failed. Ooh.
So, this one, evidently, I mean,
Yeah.
Then you've got this one here. I mean, oh, Christ.
Yeah, where else? Up front?
Yeah, this
So-
one. Probably underneath. that.
Underneath. Yeah, that's right there.
Oh,
How can we miss
my
that?
God.
How can... Watch your fingers. And then
That's
we've got...
so bad.
It's basically... Is it only 3?
It's only 3. That
3
that
points.
side for now, touch wood, is fine.
Oh, I've got a bit of a...
Bit of a bowl tire on that.
Bit of a photo. God.
And then this caliper.
We got 2 drop
We've
links.
done everything, and it's we've done everything we can to this, but it's just the caliper is just
So it needs a new caliper.
yeah.
We've tried
needs
to
it
bleed it.
desperately.
Won't bleed up.
Tried to move the slider pins, won't do the slider pins. Brakes are now like inoperable. Like I tried to brake and they don't work.
So we need to put a new caliper on it and bleed the brakes.
Bleed the brakes badly.
Happy days.
And then yeah, these two I've got a lot of play in them.
Are these ones that failed?
Yeah.
Bit of play in there. Not too bad for a Honda Civic with 100 and keep forgetting.
76,000.
Oh, look at that exhaust.
Mate, the exhaust is beautiful.
Oh, straight through.
So what? We need to get rid of this.
Yeah, cut that straight out. Straight through pipe.
What is that?
Cat.
That's the cat. So
Need that
get
for
rid of
MOT
that.
really. God. And then what are you going to do after? Turbo.
Yeah, for like £300.
What, we're going to buy an eBay special kit.
An eBay special kit.
So we're thinking of buying an eBay special turbo kit to put on the Civic. What does it, if everyone thinks we should do it? Like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, I'm sure they'll all love to see
Oh
that.
yeah, they love it. 180,000 mile Civic with a turbo kit.
Of course, mate. Needs a service desperately, as well, I reckon.
Oil change.
Yeah.
Cool.
But apart from that,
Good. We'll see what we've got behind the seals.
can't wait to take these off and just.
Seals removed. I reckon you should leave them off, mate. Look at that. Grandad car.
Disgusting.
Look at them.
It actually changes the car.
Let's see 'em.
Changes the car.
How dirty are they behind?
I've already cleaned them, but
Alright.
like the grime is still definitely there.
What's the outer seal saying?
Say it again.
Not too bad, is it?
Nah, do you know what? To be honest,
Maybe just clean up here with a bit of rust.
yeah. Before I put these back on, I'm gonna give this all like a good clean. Take it to a Happy Hand car wash.
No, you're going to clean it yourself.
Nah.
Yeah.
What do they do inside now?
You're not going to clean your own car.
Ain't nobody got time for that, mate. It's all bubbling there.
You need to grind that back. Oh, that's on the door though, mate.
Yeah.
So you
Don't
need-
worry about the
Basically,
door.
you need to repaint the whole car. Don't do that because that's what happens. That's what happens. You still have projects that need to be finished.
No, I'm gonna finish.
Where are you putting that, mate?
Just gonna chuck it in the room, mate.
Fucking hell.
Well, it's this ladder whilst I get this on now.
She's looking good. She's looking sweet.
So we've got front bumper off. It's absolutely hanging underneath this.
Like what?
Like,
Hanging like what? Piece of ham? Or what was you going to say? Hanging like you. Yeah. Bit damage, yeah.
that one there, that's
Oh. Cool. What's happening there? Oh, that's just fell off.
yeah, fabulous.
Imagine a big fat turbo sat on the front there. With screaming right out the bonnet. What do you reckon, guys?
Obviously, right there. But it's got
Front bumper's off.
That's great.
Damaged. Too bad though. Doesn't look like it's been in any bad shunts.
Just a few tickles.
Right, just have a look for her. Oh, one headlight off.
One headlight off.
Nice.
You do actually have to take the whole front bumper off, I believe.
Well, yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
That's why you've just done it, to get the headlight out.
Any easier way. What has happened here?
A bit of a whack, maybe.
Oh god.
Cool. That's had a bit of a whack, isn't it?
Really is. Seen better days. What are them? What is that?
That's your horn, mate.
That's not a horn.
That's your horn. What's
Is
that though,
that-
Sam? Come on, apprentice.
That's a radiator.
For what?
No, that ain't a radiator.
What is it called?
That's what do you mean?
What is it?
That's the radiator.
Yeah, but what is that?
That's not. Is it an intercooler?
Does it have a turbo?
No.
So it's not an intercooler.
Fab.
So Sam's just realised that this is called a horn. Horn? What is this?
Not a clue.
You don't know.
Not a clue.
Not a turbo. Intercooler.
No.
Makes you cold.
Oh, AC unit. AC unit.
You got AC, have you?
I have, I think.
God.
I have.
It's called an AC condenser.
AC condenser.
So
Happy
you
days.
learn everything. Learn something new every day.
That's it. The more you know.
Well, you know. Right, just come through the other side just so I can have a look through her. Hello, mate. Hello.
Oh my god, it is just a bar.
Let's try and zoom.
There's no gate, there's no anything, it's just a bar.
I can just see straight through her.
That's nuts.
God, I reckon you should.
We can actually sell this.
I know what you should. Do you reckon?
Guys, if anyone wants a Honda Civic EP2 headlight, it is in actually good nick. The back's actually all sorted as well. You know, it's not broken in any way.
Just
buy it.
yeah.
Just buy it.
Send us an inbox.
Yeah.
Post
Just
on the
buy it.
comments.
You can have the bulbs if you want.
You know, bulbs come free.
Bulbs. Yeah.
Cool. What do you reckon? We get these wheels off and get them refurbed tomorrow. Oh, that look nice, wouldn't it? Gunmetal grey. Oh, what?
I don't have any money. I got paid, but
So basically, you're spending all your wage
yeah.
on your car.
Yeah, because I love it. I genuinely love this car.
Nice. So you don't want to get your wheels done.
Oh, mate, I'll actually have nothing left.
Can everyone just
Send me £1.
So basically, if everyone sends Sam £1, he'll be able to pay
£1?
for his wheels.
That's
Or, right, in aid of Sam, we're going to set up a GoFundMe page. So if everyone would like to donate to the Sam GoFundMe page for his Honda Civic that he's going to build, he's going to make it into a turbo. He's going to build it, get 1,000 horsepower out of the Civic.
Easy.
He's going to build it.
And if we can't, we'll rebuild the engine to make sure it goes that far.
Make sure it goes that far.
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at that, mate.
2 headlights out, stripped. Definitely, probably would change. What airbox you going for? Big fat turb ski sat straight out the top.
Something K&X, aren't they good? They're meant to be. Oh my god.
Seen better days.
So that is the problem there. It's all cracked.
Yeah.
All of them bits rolling about in
big
it.
crack. Right, so looking pretty good though. No leaks. Not bad for 180,000 miles, something like that.
How do you keep forgetting?
How many has it done?
175,000.
Right, 175. Just run in. I reckon someone's cleaned all that oil off there. I'm joking. It's alright.
Right, so just a bit.
What's that in there? Have you undone that?
Yeah, that comes on then. I can actually put that back on.
Bit of fun. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna undo something.
So if we undo.
What? Take that
No,
off.
we don't need to take that off.
No? Why not?
It's just the heat shield. See down here?
What? Them ones down there?
Yeah.
Oh no.
We undo them and then just drop the front of the exhaust up, start him up and see how loud it is. Key him on.
Oh my god.
Just need to spray him up with a bit of lube. Lube me bolts.
Oh my days. Oh good, it's cable tied. Oh my god!
It's weird, man.
Innit? I think it is the clutch.
It's on the internal of the engine.
Huh?
There's oil in there, isn't there?
Yeah. Did you hear that, Ken? What do we think about that then, Bradley? Yeah, I reckon we keep it like that. I don't even know if that's legal.
Civic. TP2.